Just going to work on the flat surface here where the blade sits. So your blade sits on here, and I've just removed all the sharp edges off there and on there. And those little corners in there, they're sharp. Let's take those off. Let's go around all these. Go around them. Just take all the little corners off. This is not going to affect the placement of the frog on the plane body. This is purely the surface that the plane blade sits on. Sits on there. Now this thing slides up and down as you adjust it from the turnbuckle at the back. This thing, not turnbuckle, the adjustment knob on the back. So this slides up and down, and that's just rust on rust, as you can see. So I just get a file and I draw file it, put it on flat, right across both surfaces. It's hard to do the end, so I just rotate. Get all the sharps off. Can't do the cross there because of that, and this stops you doing that, so you just put your file on there and press it. Try and just press there. I've got nothing really holding the back, so the back of the file I've got it rotating about. I'm just sitting flat. It's just reference to itself. Look how easy that rust comes off. You want to put this in vinegar? There. You'll smell of vinegar forever. Bicarbonate. You don't need chemicals for these things. You're wasting your time. Look how fast that was. A little bit of handwork. Look how nice that looks now. It took no time. Give it a bit of lube. Come back with the rough stuff. You don't need much. You don't want to be ripping this down and putting divots in the thing. Just want to get the rust off. Doesn't take much more than that. Look at that. As long as you don't get that wet, that's good. That's good. Don't need much work on the frog. It's a simple thing. Just get the muck out of there. And it's a bit of muck in there, just inside those. They don't need flattening, they don't need filing, they don't need anything, just get the dirt out.